Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the problem 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. Let's dive right in and break down the steps to finding the solution. First, let's identify the components of the given expression. 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. In this context, the expression consists of two parts, the term 3 raised to the power of 2 and the term 2 raised to the power of 2. To begin simplifying, we need to separately calculate each term where the base is raised to an exponent. Let's start with 3 raised to the power of 2. The base is 3 and the exponent is 2. When we raise a number to a power, we multiply the base by itself as many times as indicated by the exponent. Here, 3 raised to the power of 2 means multiply 3 by itself, which is 3 times 3. When we perform this multiplication, 3 times 3 equals 9. This simplifies the first term of the expression to 9. Next, we move to 2 raised to the power of 2. The base is 2 and the exponent is 2, which means we multiply 2 by itself. So 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. When we perform this multiplication, 2 times 2 equals 4. This simplifies the second term of the expression to 4. With both terms simplified, we update the original expression to reflect these new values. The expression now reads 9 plus 4. Having simplified both components of the expression to their numerical values, we will proceed to the next step where we perform the addition. Now let's move to the step where we perform the addition of the simplified terms. We have simplified the original terms 3 raised to the power of 2 and 2 raised to the power of 2 to their respective values of 9 and 4. So we now have 9 plus 4. To perform the addition, we start by keeping the first number, which is 9, in our mind. Next, we add the second number, which is 4 to 9, by counting up 4 steps from 9. Starting at 9, we count up 10, 11, 12, 13. Therefore, 9 plus 4 equals 13. In this case, 13 is the simplest form of the expression, and no further simplification is needed. Thus, the final simplified result of the original expression is 13. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.